Google Fit is one of the most popular health and fitness tracking apps. Designed to help people stay active and improve their daily lifestyle. Developed by Google, the app gives users an easy way to track workouts, monitor daily activities, and build healthier habits directly from their smartphones or smartwatches. The first thing that makes Google Fit stand out is its simple and clean interface. Everything is organized clearly, making it easy for beginners and advanced fitness users to navigate the app without confusion. Whether you walk, run, cycle, or even do home workouts, Google Fit automatically tracks many activities and provides detailed reports about your performance. One of the app's most interesting features is the heart points system. Google Fit encourages users to move more during the day by rewarding physical activity with points. The app also tracks steps, calories burned, distance traveled, and workout duration, helping users understand their progress over time. Another great advantage is its compatibility with smart devices and fitness wearables. Google Fit can connect with smartwatches and many other health apps, allowing users to keep all their fitness data in one place. It also supports sleep tracking and heart rate monitoring on compatible devices. For people who want to stay healthy without paying for expensive subscriptions, Google Fit offers many useful features completely free. The app works smoothly on Android devices and integrates well with the Google ecosystem. In my personal opinion, Google Fit is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a simple and reliable fitness app. It may not have some advanced features found in premium fitness applications, but for daily activity tracking and building healthy habits, it does a very good job. I think it is especially perfect for beginners who want an easy way to start improving their fitness and overall health.